welcome to ULCC Ultra Low Cost Channel. Today we're going to talk about ways you can save on airfares. Now, if you're the type of person that travel more than 3 times a month, this video is for you. Spirit Airlines $9 Fare Club membership. It's $59.95 to join the first year. After the first year, if you want to renew, the renewal is $69.95. Even though it says $9, guys, not all the time you pay $9 for a ticket. It all depends on where you're traveling to. The ticket may be a little bit more, but you won't be paying a regular rate. You'll be paying a discounted rate because you now become a $9 Fare Club member. This is one benefit that you can save on airfares. Now, the other benefit is you guys are all traveling on a family trip. Now, what you want to do, since you are the $9 Fare Club members, you want to book all their ticket and your ticket combined on the same itinerary and same confirmation, and they will get the $9 Fare Club price. So yes, guys, you can book up to 8 people on that itinerary. You also can get up to 50% on your first check back. That doesn't mean that you're going to get 50% off. No. You can get up to 50%. It's all about wording, guys, because we see 50% and be like, yes, 50%. No, you can get up to 50%, which means that it could be 45, it could be 40, it could be 25, it could be 30. So y'all get me, right? Another way that you can save, you can also sign up for the Spirit World MasterCard. The Spirit World MasterCard is a credit card. So, if you have good credit like that or you have okay credit, then this is for you, because we all spend money, right? Why not just swipe that card and get some miles on it, right? So with the Spirit MasterCard, you'll get 2 miles every dollar spent. So if you buy a package which is $3, you're getting 6 miles on that, and that miles can go towards your next trip, which everything can accumulate, because we all spend money every single day. You can use it to pay your bills, you can use the shopping, you can do whatever you want, and you're still earning miles on that. All you gotta do is just save that cash that you was gonna use anyways, and then when the bill comes, you just pay for it. Simple as that, right? You also get 15,000 bonus miles on your first purchase. If you apply in-flight from the flight attendants and you get approved, then you get another bonus miles added on towards your first purchase, 15,000 bonus miles. And all those miles can add up to at least up to 2 round-trip tickets, which all you gotta do is pay off Uncle Sammy's taxes, and that's it, guys. That's basically like a free ticket. That's basically like 2 round-trip free tickets for just signing up and spending one thing. That is actually a good deal. Christmas is coming. Why not just use that towards your Christmas trip? Thanksgiving is coming. Why not use that towards your Thanksgiving trip? Labor Day, come on now, is right up. Everybody want to go somewhere, so you can use that towards your trip. Now, with the Spirit MasterCard, you get Zone 2 priority boarding, 0 annual fee for the first year. After the first year and you decide to keep the card, you're paying $59. Now, another way that you can save, you also want to sign up for the free Spirit account, which is just basically just sign up for an account. You just have an account with Spirit instead of you checking out as a guest. So every time you book a ticket, you're signing to your account, miles accumulate on that. So you're having miles on your Spirit World MasterCard, you also having miles on your free Spirit account, and you also are $9 Fare Club members. Look at all the benefits that you're getting, guys. All the benefits that you are getting. And trust me, all this will add up to getting free round-trip tickets, which is really good because we spend money every single day. We spend money every single minute. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. Click that notification button, because now you are a member of the ULCC Ultra Low Cost channel, guys. And if you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up. If you like this, all the information I've given you will be in the description box below. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.